What's up guys, I'm here at Rc-Xtreme. This is what happened when you forget the memory card in your GoPro cam. You need to improvise. I have no idea if you're seeing this. I can only hope. I don't know. Who knows? Well, the body left the building, that's for sure. Okay, so it didn't. I'm just gonna do some quickie. Lost motivation when I forgot the memory card. Well, I must say it jumps pretty decent. There are some limits, of course, the suspension travel, the height, the weight. Can't expect it to land smooth as a 1/8 scale car. Or 1/5. That was a freaking perfect. The thing is, I want to change this EC. If someone can enlighten me if you can tune this Team Corally with a it's the throttle curve is, and I want it. And the last ramp session I did, it bended the front shock shafts. Oh, ah. Still in one piece. Well, I lost the body anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna pause it here. It's gonna be extremely. We're back on it. Okay, so yeah. Well, it seems to be in one piece. Hope you can see this, guys. This is the Traxxas Mini XRT. And we have some extremely hot weather out here in Sweden. Not extremely, but it is hot. Warm. So the shock oils are like water now. That wasn't my intention. Yeah, there's a lot of cutting here. I'm just gonna go for one pack here. some distance. And also running the Traxxas MiniMaxx shock towers on this car. Ooh, that was a nasty hit. That's for sure. I'm gonna give it one more try. Then we're gonna change car. Ooh. Yep, we did some serious bad landing here. But still in 450 pieces. It's like water. Be the water. Feel the water. Oh yeah, get outside. Would be cool if we can get some more. It is so hot. Freaking hot. Well, I'm tired of this shit. I'm not gonna say it. Yes, I actually did. But I'm gonna do that all the loyal modification. I think it was. I'm gonna put some foams in here. Let's see if I can remove this. Yep. Hopefully we could see something. So that's it, guys.